Well, it's that time, and I'm going to share with you guys my Halloween decor stash. I have 2 tubs, and I'm going to do a video coming up soon of how I store all of my decor, but basically it's in tubs on some shelves in my garage. Quick disclaimer, last year I found some great items on clearance that were actually too big to fit into my tubs, so I put them in bags and these were stacked on top. So let me set everything up and show you guys my stash. Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I pulled out my Halloween decor. I have not decorated yet with the breaking of my young little guy's arm and a hospital stay. It's kind of set me back. I kind of wanted it done by October 1st, but I thought I would just share with you guys my Halloween decor stash. Now, last year was my first year decorating. We just have always done fall the whole season, and the kids are old enough now that they really want to decorate for Halloween as well. So we started last year, and I kind of did 2 themes. I did a skeleton and apothecary style in my living room, and then in my kitchen I did lots of jack-o'-lanterns, black cats, black and orange and white. And I think this year that's what I'm going to do all over the house. So I already have quite a few items set aside that I am donating to someone that I know will use them well. So this is what I have left. Let me go ahead and just get started here with the pillow covers. I picked these up last year on Amazon. I just really like this one with the vintage character and the pumpkin. They were right around $2 each. They took a long time to get here, as you can imagine. Sometimes they're coming from China. I like the pillow covers because then you're not storing seasonal pillows, and I don't have storage for that. But I just pop these right on the pillows I already have on my couch, and it works out really well. So that's one, and this is the other. Now this one is more of a velvety feel, and that one was more burlappy, if that's even a word. And then let me go ahead and scoot closer, and we'll start over here. Alright, starting right here, I got this little skeleton at Walmart last year. It's small, but I think it's super cute. It was $9.98, I believe. Folds up really, really well, and I just don't have room for a full size. So that was a new purchase last year. Actually, all of this was. That's from Walmart. That's a little, I think, Dollar Tree sign that a friend got me. And then I got a lot of bottles that I just either had or picked up from places like the 99-cent store, and they sold some labels that I put on, and then I filled them up with some bugs and critters and stuff. Some bats, the little pails that are from Walmart. They're just adorable. They have them again this year. Up here is the jack-o'-lantern witch guy that I got last year at Target, and I really like him. And this is a sign I got last year at Walmart, and they do have it out again this year. This is my Target cat. Love her. And then I bought these 2. They were $3 each, I believe, and they have similar ones out this year. Next to that, I just have a little figurine from Walmart last year that are back this year, and a little sign from the 99-cent store. And then I'm going to be showing you a lot of things I made last year. I did a DIY series called Halloween, and so all the bottles were a DIY. They're just bottles from my house, my kitchen. I spray painted them and added the labels. And then this little kitty cat with the tutu on is actually a sign that I DIY'd from the Dollar Tree, and that's also in Halloween, in the Halloween DIY playlist I have. Down here I have all those beautiful Dollar Tree candle holders with the little metal holders that you can hang them from, like lanterns. These are all pumpkins from Target last year, and that's my little votive holder from Walmart. Now back here is a sign you'll probably recognize from the Dollar Tree. I bought mine last year, and the only choice was a purple hat, so I actually just covered it with some fabric. I DIY'd it. This year they're selling it in black and white, so I was a year ahead, I think. That is my little standing broom DIY from the Dollar Tree. Made that last year. My little garland, again a Dollar Tree DIY from last year. This is one of those little things that you can get in the Bullseye's Playground for $3. It's just a little kit that you can paint. I just painted the whole thing black, but I need to assemble it. It just pops right in here and it stands up and looks like a haunted mansion, and I like it because it stores so well. It's so flat. Now let me turn around again. Alright, coming back here, those haunted mansion boxes and pumpkin boxes are from Dollar Tree last year. My skull is from the 99-cent store last year. And then I made these and they may be ruined, you guys. I wrapped them in some wrapping paper, and it looks like it may have, in this hot California climate, adhered somewhat to their faces, but I did DIY these from things from the Dollar Tree last year. And then back there's a mirror that I got in the Bullseye's Playground, and I got that one at like 75 or 90% off. There's my Walmart witch pumpkin, and then that's a cage from the 99-cent store, and then these little skeleton things. This is a guy, his little leg broke off, and a little skull are both from the 99-cent store. And then back there you're gonna see a wooden black skull. That's from Party City last year, and it was only $3.99. So I thought that was pretty cool. I got that. And then this little candy dish with the pumpkin face is from my grocery store. And the cat open mouth candy holder is from Walmart last year, which is the same as that sign back there, which I love. And then also from Party City, I got this little boo sign. It's just a vertical sign. And I got these little hanging pieces. I just used them in my kitchen cupboard last year. Love those. And some ceramic skeleton hands from the 99-cent store. And that's also where I got all these printed pumpkins last year. And then that little ghost is a votive holder from Walmart. The trick or treat sign behind it is also from Walmart last year. My crow is from the 99-cent store last year. And then that little window piece is from Target Bullseye's Playground when they did their 75% off. The little ghost here is also from Target last year. They have one this year, it's a little different. And then this is a large stacked pumpkin in burlap, and I got that on clearance from my grocery store. I paid right around $4 or $5 for it, and it was originally something like $29.99. Let me go ahead and get a little closer to show you what's up here. So up here are a few more things I got on clearance after the holiday last year. This is something I love. It's just a really tall metal illuminary. You can put a candle in it, fairy lights, light it up. It's gotta be like 24 inches or way more. And I got that for like $4 at my grocery store on clearance. I also got these little pumpkins for I think $1 or $2 each on clearance after Halloween, which is where I also got this pumpkin witch character that I want to say she was like originally $40, and I ended up getting her I think for $6 or $7, maybe even less. I'd have to go back and watch the haul. I believe I hauled her. So I just love her dress. I'll have to fluff her out. She's just been in storage, but it goes well with what I'm doing in my decor this year. And this was another little find from Hobby Lobby, and that was when I think their items were also 90% off. Might have been more like 70 or something, but his little hat is not attached, and so he was supposed to be like $7 on clearance, and I got him for $5 because his little hat needs glued down. So I love that. He's like that paper mache finish, that vintage look. And that's everything. So I'm really bummed about these. If you have any advice for me, I did Mod Podge them, and so I don't know if in our summertime they just heated up and adhered the paper. And that does it for my Halloween stash. Are you all interested in seeing a haul? I do have some things I picked up this year, and so I'd be more than happy to share a Halloween haul with you guys and show you what I bought. Most of the items are from Walmart and a couple are from Target. So that's what I've got to work with this year, and hopefully I will have a Halloween tour up for you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys back very soon.